Top 10 Yoga Accessories. Top 10. YogaToes Gel Toe Stretcher and Separator. Gem Sizing Women, US shoe sizes 6 to 11/men, US shoe sizes 7 to 10. By US patented YogaToes registered trademark gems direct from the exclusive manufacturer. Doctor recommended toe stretchers straighten toes and increase flexibility. Quantity, 1 pair made in USA from BPA-free 100% medical grade gel. 900 plus real and honest Amazon reviews. Read how gems help fight bunions, plantar fasciitis and many other foot problems. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 9. Mandala the Yoga Massage Ball. Mandala massage balls help you eliminate muscle knots and tension through gentle massage using one's own body weight. Begin today to roll away sore and tight muscles with this dynamic self-healing tool. Mandala massage balls are ideal for deepening your yoga practice, self-soothing massage, prenatal massage, and recovery from injury. Made of durable, solid rubber. Mandala massage balls provide greater support than tennis balls and more pliable massage tools. If for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, within 30 days, please return your Mandala massage balls for a no questions asked, full refund. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 8. Aurorae Yoga Multi-Purpose Crossbody Sling Backpack Bag. Mats not included, sold separately. Specialized mat locker system securely holds most yoga mats 5 pounds and under effectively, durable heavy-duty polyester. Wide, easy adjustable, double reinforced, shoulder strap with lock buckle and built-in cell phone pocket comfortably fits over your right shoulder. Aurorae 2-year guarantee. We cannot guarantee third-party sellers. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 7. 1/4 Extra Thick Deluxe Yoga Mat. At 74 long by 24 wide, our versatile 6mm yoga mat is 2 times as dense as the average yoga mat and is a full 6 longer. Double-sided non-slip texture provides comfort and allows for the perfect amount of stickiness to give you the stability you need for any pose. Premium weight mat material is perfect for any type of yoga or Pilates routine and will last for many years to come. All genuine yoga accessories products are covered by a 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 6. Strongest and most comfortable Dharma Yoga Prop Wheel. Increase muscle and spine flexibility. Improve balance, core and back strength. Stretch and release tension from all common, pain-triggering points, shoulder, chest, hip, and back. Gain fluidity of motion that will help you execute all poses with ease. Facilitate sequential posing. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 5. Fit Spirit Fitness Exercise Yoga Strap. Package includes 1 Fit Spirit Yoga Strap. Work hard to reach core muscles to stabilize mood, posture, and reach your center of gravity. Cultivate both physical and mental flexibility that for a stronger and more energized spirit. Master pesky yoga poses and balancing techniques that were always a bit out of reach. Achieve the flexibility and elongation necessary to perform a full pose safely. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 4. 100% natural and organic yoga mat cleaner. Clean your mat and set your mind at ease at the same time. SUTRA is all about safe natural, organics products to elevate your practice. This mat cleaner is designed by yoga clean freaks and made specially just for yoga mats and props. Completely disinfects your mat the natural way. If you take your yoga seriously and want the best, all natural ingredients between you and your mat, then this is for you. If your mat can handle your sweat, then this all-natural cleaner is what you need. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 3. SukhaMat Yoga Knee Pad. Alleviates yoga knee pain, elbow pain, wrist pain. Extra wide to comfort both knees, wrists, elbows, forearms and sit bone. Cushions pressure points, designed by yogis to provide comfort while maintaining balance and stability. Lightweight and portable, Rolls up with your full-size mat. Waterproof and easy to clean. Made from eco-friendly NBR foam, latex-free, certified phthalates-free and biodegradable. Perfect for travel, 24x10 and 15 mm thick and only weighs 12 ounces. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 2. Fit Spirit Adjustable Cotton Yoga Mat Carrying Strap. Package includes, 1. Pink Fit Spirit Yoga Mat Carrying Strap / Yoga Mat not included. Dimensions, length 64/width 1.5. Affordable, lightweight, and convenient to keep your hands free and your mat from unrolling in transit. Multifunctional stretching strap to help you hold and extend poses as well as carry your yoga mat. Adjustable loops to strap and secure any size yoga mat. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 1. Gaiam Grippy Toeless Yoga Socks. Provides excellent traction, even without a mat. Hygienic alternative to practicing barefoot. Perfect for travel. Machine wash in cold water, dry flat. One size fits most, women's shoe 5 to 10 / men's shoe 4 to 9. Check description for more info and reviews.